Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Messages and signing into your Apple ID so messages sync across devices. Once done, go to Settings Messages and toggle iMessage on. This lets green versus blue message behaviors resolve automatically. Make sure Send and Receive lists the phone number and any email you want. That controls where replies arrive. If you have dual SIM, select a default line for iMessage. Doing this first prevents delivery confusion and enables features like typing indicators and read receipts. You compose by tapping the new message icon or entering an existing thread and typing. Hold or use the camera to attach photos and files. Once you have content, explore the app drawer. Tap the app icon to add stickers, Apple Pay, location, and Memoji. These enhance context and tone. Long press the blue or green send arrow to choose bubble or screen effects. These emphasize emotion or important info. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active so large attachments upload, and send without delay. You finish by organizing conversations. Swipe to pin, mute, or delete threads so your inbox stays usable. Once done, enable messages in iCloud under your Apple ID to sync history across devices and free local storage. If messages fail to send, first toggle iMessage off and on, then restart the iPhone. This resets network state. If green SMS isn't sending, verify cellular service and carrier settings. If problems persist, update iOS and sign out, then back into your Apple ID to reauthorize iMessage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.